Most people think that they're eating enough protein. Well, most people don't. But not to worry. Today, we're going to fix that. Hi, my name is Murphy, and welcome to Living the AthAyush Way. Now, protein is not just for bodybuilders. It's the repair and building material for your own body. It supports muscle, metabolism, recovery, and long-term resilience. After the age of 30, we naturally start losing muscle. Adequate protein helps to slow that down. Especially for women during perimenopause and menopause, protein becomes protective, not just cosmetic. In the last episode, we discussed how much protein an average person needs during the day. It could be anywhere between 0.8 to 1 gram per kg of body weight for an average person, and for someone who's moderately active, anywhere between 1.2 to 1.6 grams. Depending on usage, the need increases. But are we getting that in a day? Let's look at the Indian meal generally during the day. The usual Indian breakfast consists of either toast or paratha and chai, poha, upma, etc. That gives us not more than 6 to 8 grams of protein, along with carbohydrates and fats. In general, the average Indian lunch is dal chawal with a bit of curd. And for dinner, people usually end with roti and sabji. That's like not more than 8 to 10, maximum 12 grams of protein per meal. Now, is that adequate for a person in a day? We see that this offers not more than 30 to 40 grams of protein, which clearly is not sufficient. Now, here's something that most people don't realize. Protein sources, especially vegetarian ones, come along with a lot of carbohydrates and fats within themselves. So, a bowl of dal may have 8 to 9 grams of protein, but it's also packed with a lot of carbohydrates. Similarly, nuts, again, rich in protein, but also very rich in fats. So the problem is not that we are meeting our needs adequately. It's that along with the protein sources, we're also accumulating carbohydrates and fats. This is not a criticism. This is just awareness. That doesn't mean that the solution is to give up on vegetarian food. It just means that we need to combine and balance out intelligently. If you're a vegetarian, then here are some suggestions to hit the 25 gram per meal mark. Option 1, 100 grams of paneer with a cup of hung curd. They total up to more than 30 grams of protein. Option 2, in your meal, add a bowl of rajma or chole and a bowl of hung curd mixed with some sprouts. It really gives a boost to that protein intake. Option 3, a couple of moong dal chilas stuffed with tofu or paneer. In itself, a protein-packed meal. Remember, combination is key. For non-vegetarians, it gets a little easier. 3 boiled eggs, 120 grams of chicken, 100 grams of fish, hung curd, dal. All the other vegetarian options together can help you meet the protein intake for the day. Your body doesn't store protein the way it does fat. So there's no point in aiming to kind of load 70 grams of protein in just one meal. You need to break it down in every meal, 25 to 30 grams per meal. And if you really need to pack protein in any one meal, then focus on breakfast. A high protein breakfast goes a long way in regulating energy throughout the day. Let's start simple. Focus on your most carb heavy meal. Upgrade that. Then upgrade the second meal. By the end of the week, all 3 meals should be upgraded to a protein-rich meal. Build gradually. And if this feels overwhelming or too much to do, then don't worry. You can add in some protein snacks. A bowl of sprouts, roasted chane, hung curd, even supplements such as plant protein. Protein is not about looking muscular. It's about staying strong. It's about supporting healthy aging. On the next episode, we will talk about carbohydrates and why fearing them may be actually hurting your health. And remember, it's not about changing everything overnight. It's about building strength slowly, step by step, because that's living the AthAyush way.